Pnar Kapatisi TV.
Lah demi royak roak lah. Kalah. Bye-bye lah, kalah. Demi roak lah.
Ki paiba chung snong lapangap haka shitarik urisa arjapsan kilami paiba daga jingtmu banlet ot yokba Henry tang shupoi shaki penthor kaba kila kendet bagi Karbi kila ke tawer na shilyang lum ringkat bagi Pulit Asam anda haba kinong snong jong ka snong lapangap kila poi kham shajan ki penthor kila ngat penpan haka jing Siat mau daki jiri Siat sim haki Karbi patkum takim ban si ban kenran deno khang ban lait na kanu jing mensang ki Pulit ke jela Meghalaya ki apa hara ke snong lapangap kila lait tang hadu jingking job kan namar bakim yo jing ben na ki bor bahalor ban senran lang ye ki nong rep Pnar sha penthor keba ki badan markham bat ke snong tapan jong ka West Karbi Anglong district uhe snong jong ke snong lapangap uba de bon mi lingdo haka jing kran bo unong lum kubor lo ong ba ka jing bom ai bor ka sarkar Meghalaya ki Pulit panit senran ye ki nong rep sha penthor keba kala pen bitar hadu kata tai ki nong rep ba ta khaju ka por lo maham ru ba kan sapoi ka por ba un amla shu ban khangla ikinong snong lada kitur bani khon mar kelyang bat ki Karbi ula ong ba ka dor ba snong lapangap kala da pentep sha ka sarkar jila bat sha ki bor sin shar ka West Hills district ba kala de ka ayom ot ka ba hendre hadu menta kempat la satya ban ai yakilat Ïada
Bye-bye lah, kalah. Demi roak lah.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.